Hamad, welcome on board.
Thank you.
Great to have Mobiz with us at Leap. If you can give us a little bit about Mobiz, what are your specialization, how you are versed on the Microsoft technology and your offering here in the market.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I appreciate the invite, and it's an amazing event over here at Leap. A lot of attendance. So my name is Hamad Riaz. I'm the CEO of Mobiz. We're a Microsoft partner. We have 7 advanced specializations, especially around infra, ABD, AVS, data, AI as well. Our core competencies that we've built with Microsoft has been around regulated industries and repeatable models as well. So what we do is to deploy your infrastructure, we use infrastructure as code, we govern it, we control it using code. So it's very easy to redeploy this and to monitor and comply with it. We built all of our expertise around the Microsoft ecosystem. We have practice in infra, modern workplace, we have data AI and BizApps as well.
So I get that I was exposed to your program for migration, automation, and repatriation, which is fantastic. But also I started hearing references around data and AI. Can you share some of your experience, some of the references, what's happening in the Middle East?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think first of all, on the repatriation, that's absolutely critical for this region as well. So because we're an automation-driven company, building something in Europe and then being able to repatriate it very quickly with very little effort back in Saudi Arabia, that's been our
no downtime.
With very minimal to no downtime, right? That's been a practice we've mastered in other regions with Microsoft, and we're bringing the same capability and program here. With tourism, with mining industry, with other customers, we've been working a lot on the AI side. But our belief is before we can sell or implement something for a customer, we should implement it for ourselves. So our first journey for AI has been internally at Mobiz, where we encompassed our own support organization, our HR, to use Azure OpenAI. We've used Azure OpenAI now to take SAMA, NCA controls to map policies in Azure. Now with some of these references that you mentioned here in Saudi Arabia, from an airline sector to hospitality to mining to petrochemical, we're using a lot of AI with HR recruiting systems built around Azure OpenAI, so it will help you recruit faster. You have a lower total cost of ownership, very fast returns. We're also doing document intelligence with structured, unstructured data, so people can talk to this data without doing a lot of groundwork. So if it's finance, you can just dump files and start talking about what transpired, and then use the same AI to say what could happen. So predictive analytics using artificial intelligence as well with Azure OpenAI.
Very exciting. My last question would be about the Middle East priority, your roadmap for being here, your investment, and how do you see the market for you going forward?
Yeah, I think everyone that has visited Saudi Arabia, at least from my team, is blown away with the massive opportunity, the transformation, the Vision 2030. We can see this personally and witness this evolution and transformation of the region itself. Our primary focus is now in the Middle East. We have an office now in Bahrain. We'll have an office very soon in the next couple of weeks in Riyadh. We're relocating individuals from the United States, from Canada, from Europe to here. And then obviously our focus is to hire local staff, train them as well, right? And then continue investing in the society that we actually work and live in.
Hamad, thank you so much. Pleasure having you.
Pleasure having you here. Thank you.